Money.
We all need it, but we all don't know how to get it.
You gotta manifest. Be money. Be the guy making the money. Be the guy counting these bills of different colored money. Whoa. This could be you. This could be your mom. But you can do it. Look at all the Benjamins. Benjamin Musk. Benjamin Bezos. That could be us. But we not manifesting. We must manifest together. Yeah. Big Ben. You want to be like Mr. Krabs. You want to count money. Money. Open a business like Mr. Krabs. Money. Me and you opening a business, making money. Manifest. Make it happen. Get motivated.
You can do it!
It doesn't matter who you are, where you come from,
Or why.
you want money, you can manifest it.
Whoa!
Be a strong person. Subscribe for more manifesting videos.
Do it!
Oh yeah!